Hey everybody, Nathan here, and I wanted to show you a short video about White Oaks Cabins. This is a property that we purchased back in December, and we've gotten it opened up this year, and it's been a really great start to the year. And I wanted to kind of pull up some of our listings and show you what our website looks like, and then also what our cabins look like. So when you go to the website, it's www.whiteoakscabins.org. And when you get there, you'll bring you to this page right here. So we've got a picture of a little campfire up in the woods that somebody had taken on Facebook. So we were able to use that picture. I thought it was pretty neat. But when you get here, it's a really basic website. Okay, so basically you've got the welcome message up here. We have all listings. So if you don't want to put in your dates yet and you just want to check the listings, and then the About White Oaks Cabins. You can see here we have air conditioning in all of our cabins. We've got 24-hour check-in because we've got electronic door locks. Pets are allowed, hiking, fire pits at all cabins, and yeah, so it's a really neat property. So I wanted to show you what some of our cabins look like here, and this is one that we've just got opened up. We call it the Lodge Cabin. And if you're on the website and you want to look at it as far as the inside pictures, you just click on it, and then you can see some different photos. We've got 12 on here right now. This one shows basically the front deck of the lodge. So it's got a really big front deck. It's got a shared fire pit area. For this one, it's right behind the lodge. With that, we redid the inside. Now the Lodge Cabin is just for the upstairs only. So the downstairs is not part of the rental. It's just the upstairs. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. We've got direct TV in here. We've got the flat screen TV. We've got mostly new furniture, a lot of new furniture in this one, new flooring and that type thing. So you can see some of the pictures there. This is kind of in the main bedroom. It's a queen size bed in there. This is in the kitchen. That was actually an old, if you want to call it a wash stand or something like that was left in the property. We were able to kind of reuse that, so it turned out pretty cool. We've got kind of the dining room table looking out over the deck and over the grounds there, out through one of the new double doors that we have. And along with that, we've got just a couple other pictures of the inside there, and then we've got the grill and a couple chairs to relax on the outside. And you can kind of see what it looks like, how much of a deck that is there. It wraps around both sides with that. And then we've got a little electric fireplace inside, and you can see the front of the cabin there. And then we were able to get the hot tub installed on the screened-in back porch within just the last few weeks. So we were able to get that done, and it turned out really well. Nice and private in there. So anyway, so if you're thinking about a cabin in southern Indiana with a hot tub, the Lodge is a great option to go with there. So that is that one. So yeah, so if you want to check it out, go to whiteoakscabins.org, and you can book directly online, and that saves you some fees with Airbnb and or VRBO and that type of thing if you book direct. So, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me, and I will talk to you soon.